Hey guys, I'm Tyrese Lynn and I love sharing all things self-care, a little bit of singing, and a little bit of sewing and fashion. And in today's video, we're going into the self-care realm and I have a good hack for you guys. So if any of you use this beauty spin brush, it's by the company Vanity Planet. They have these spin brushes which cost like $20 to $30 for a pack of 3. But on Amazon, which I found the other day after looking for like hours, these brushes work incredibly well for this tool. So all you do, it's by the company Pixar, I just wanted to include that. And they also have a pumice stone in here, 3 brushes for your face, and latex sponge. So what you do is you remove them and you can get 5 of these for $10. I already have one that I use and it's very like soothing. It's great for removing makeup, exfoliating your skin and helping your skin stay clear. So to take them out, you can push on that little back piece to pop it out, and then it pops right in. Let's save a little money this holiday season. In the description box, I have the link for these brushes, which is an incredibly good deal. Most times the brushes are $20 to $30 with this tool, and I don't need another one of these, and a lot of times it is included with the 3 brushes on the various spin brush websites. But if you're able to find these and you know of ones that are less than $10 for 5, leave it in the comments below because I'm totally down for saving money. This is what I found so far, and I'm happy to share it with you all so you can live your best lives, save some money, and be flawless. Until next time, it's Tyrese Lynn, and I hope you have a blessed day.